Hello students and parents. This is a video which explains the features of Lead Student and Parent app. Type Lead School in Play Store and download Lead Student and Parent app. As you can see, icon in green color. Now you will reach Lead School app home page. Click on your name and you will reach the profile page. Check all the details and confirm if it is you. You can see your journey here. You are at level 1 learner. Select the stage and you have to earn points to reach the next level, which is a seeker. Mystery box will open after you complete the task. Rewards are also given once you finish the task. Complete level to access it. You are back on the home page. Now click Summer Camp and you are in the Summer Camp welcome page. Read and close the window. Select the activity number and you will reach the activity page. Read the activity. We can also see the material required for the activity. Click the video to understand how the activity is done. Use the materials and do the activity. Post a video which is less than 1 minute or a photo of the final outcome in the upload button. You are done with the summer camp activity. Read and know a fun fact of the activity here. You reach the home page again. Click practice button and you will reach the practice section. As you can see, we have maths and science as subjects. Bridge chapters is the bridge course which Lead School is offering to the students who forgot lessons in the pandemic. Let's click the first chapter for example. First question comes, which is a multiple choice question. We have a quiz session. Choose the answer for the questions. You will also know the correct answer immediately. If you have made a mistake, it will also show. You can skip the question which will tell you that your answer was wrong. After answering these questions, you will get a report. We also have practice with friends option. Challenge your classmate or anyone from the same standard of different Lead School. You can see that you can practice with friends on different topics. First few lessons are your bridge lessons. Once the school starts, you will be able to access all the chapters. Now choose an opponent, that is either your classmate or a random person. Click continue. Since it's random, the system is searching for a student who will play the same topic game. We found Joe here and the game starts in 3. We play against each other. This quiz has 10 questions. Finish the game to find the scores at the end. We can see who won and a competitive spirit is generated between them. Kids tend to play more, which means they are learning more. Playing and learning? Wow, parents will love it. We will move to science subject and we can see the same bridge course and scroll down to see what topics are there. We can play with friends with different topics and subjects. You can see the study group and friends of your class. See what they have been doing in Lead app. Chat in your class group. Here you can see M. Dikshit of class 5. What's his position? You can invite your classmates to play with you on different social media platforms. Here we are choosing WhatsApp as all the friends are in school WhatsApp chat group. Here you can see the wall of fame, which is this week's badges earned. Send Lead the feedback of your experience. Looking back again at main page, we saw summer camp, practice with friends. You can also read a Lead post. There is also a section called Ask Doubts. You can ask doubts with your concerned class teachers once your school starts. Parents, you have your own section where you can see student reports, school notices, your payments and the academic calendar. Now we go to the main section which has student report, school notices which your child also can see it in his notice section, media upload of the child, home quiz, class timetable, my payments, media, unit progress, that is how much portions the school has completed and where are they right now, the present status, assessments and the academic calendar. In parent student app menu, you will find settings. Click it. Go to change language options and you can change the language you are comfortable with, and all your notifications and app will change to the language. We have Hindi, Telugu, Tamil, Kannada, Marathi and Bengali. No need to worry about your understanding of English language. This app was made for your convenience. Finally, before signing off, I would say that parents using Lead app can be assured of their child's education during COVID times, as school has literally come to the parents' phone. It's a powerful app and will bring cheers to the parents and students on the whole. Catch you later with my next video. Until then, bye.